jolt and then you'll die.
Hi all, this is Farron on behalf of Cineways. Today in this video we will discuss about the one of the important installation, that is Eclipse IDE installation. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Olive, keep your hands ready on your laptop. I will share my screen now. Wait for a moment, it's loading.
Yeah, in this video we will see how to download and install the Eclipse IDE on Windows 10 environment. Before installing the Eclipse, we should know why you are using Eclipse, right? So Eclipse primarily used for developing the Java application, but you can also run some other programming languages such as C, C++, PHP, Erlang by installing some plugins related to that programming language. So before installing Eclipse, you should check whether Java JDK is installed in your environment or not. For that, simply go to command prompt and type java -version. So if you find your Java version here, that's enough. Your Java JDK successfully installed in your computer, and you can continue with the further process. If you haven't find your Java version and you are finding something like Java is not a recognizable keyword, don't get worried. Simply type CNUS and go to our playlist Software Essentials. You will find some video like how to install Java JDK. I will also provide the link in the description section. Please go through that. So if you find your Java version, just simply open your favorite browser and simply type Eclipse download. Okay, you will find some official website provided by the Eclipse organization here, that is nothing but eclipse.org. Please go through that website. It just take a moment. So you will find some download section here, like the download 64-bit architecture executable file here, and click on the download. Okay, your downloads will be started in just a moment. Yeah, okay, I'm just pausing that because I already installed in my PC earlier. So this is the Java executable Eclipse executable file, right? So simply double click on that. For the first time it take a little bit time. Okay, this is your Eclipse installer. It's opening now. Okay, you will find some pop-up like this. What you are using Eclipse for? Eclipse for Java developers, or Eclipse for PHP developers, or Eclipse for Eclipse committers. So you should select what is the purpose of using your Eclipse. So I am using Eclipse for developing my Java application, so I am selecting this. Okay, so you will find some second pop-up like Java Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, these are all the navigation links. So you should read this. The essential tools for Java developers includes a Java IDE, a Git client, which is nothing but a version control system, and a XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration. So these are all the packages that you integrating with Eclipse IDE while you installing. So simply click on install. So all these tools will be installed meanwhile. Okay. Maven, Gradle, XML, and version control system, all this come with your Eclipse installation only. So these are all integral parts of Eclipse, right? Okay, it's installing. Yeah, you will find something like a launch button here. Please simply click on that. Okay, you will find some navigation link like this. So I don't want to disturb this link, so I'm just clicking on launch. So my Eclipse IDE is launching now. Okay, for the first time it take a little bit time. Yeah, this is my workspace of Eclipse IDE. So this is the Eclipse IDE, how it look like. So just we will see how to create a new project here. I'm just clicking on the new Java project here, or you can click on this also. Click on new. Okay, I will selecting my Java project. So as of I will giving the project name as Harry. Okay, your Java SDK version will be notified here. If you are using Java 16 version, it will be automatically selects. Eclipse has that intelligence to select your Java version automatically. So okay, I will click on finish. So my Java project is getting ready. So oops, it encountered a problem. So as of now I didn't want to create any modules, so I simply click on
Java class here. So I will simply go to class and type students here. So I will select my access modifier, like it's a public class word or package or abstract or anything. So I am selecting public and selecting as my string arguments. Okay, passing string arguments. Okay, click on finish. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we will run a simple program. So Eclipse is very intelligent. It will show your suggestions. What we will write, simply type okay, stay home, stay healthy. Okay, now we will run this program. So simply click on run, or you will use a shortcut like Control plus F11. Okay, so here is your output, right? So okay, as it mentioned in our output statement, please follow this. Stay home, stay healthy. So okay, we'll stop here.
I am staying at my home by taking all the precautions. Please you to stay at the home, don't go outside, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting us. Team CNW is always there for you to help. Comment out if you have any queries. Signing off, Farron, on behalf of Cenaways. Bye.